So a California finance lender's law license.
All right, I'm a little sick. I just got back from Japan like 2 weeks ago, and it took me forever to kind of get adjusted back to the time. I've been sleeping really early, and I just haven't had a lot of time to edit videos. I got the video like Japan and Vietnam that I need to edit, and those edits require a little bit more time because it's just more content. So what I want to talk about today is why I bought a BMW. Being a Honda guy my entire life, I've owned Hondas forever. I've had 5 different Hondas. I'll put some pictures of some of my previous ones. And I've always had like this like modding bug. You know, I was always a tuner, right? I always like fixing up cars. And I think I'm gonna fix this car up. I've always wanted a BMW, and I've always liked fixed up Beamers. This is probably not the most amazing platform to fix up, but I've never been really crazy about like speed and performance. I've always been like VIP and just appearances, as far as like making something look really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna start fixing this car up, and I'm pretty excited. Like I'm thinking the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'll probably get some springs. I don't want to go the full coilover route just because I have the adaptive suspension, and it'd be kind of a waste to not utilize the adaptive suspension and just throw that away to switch over to coilovers, adjustable coilovers that aren't adaptive. Because at the end of the day, this is a luxury car, and I want to retain as much of the luxury features as possible. So, springs, I haven't decided which ones. I probably will go with something with a more aggressive drop, like the H&R springs or the Ibach Pro Kit. So, those are the two. And then I did a couple things. You know, I got like a new modified airbox and a drop-in filter, but it doesn't really do anything as far as like noise. And I know that intakes don't do anything for performance, and I'm not really looking for performance. But man, some of those aftermarket intakes, they make the car sound pretty aggressive. So probably do that. I'm gonna do the 435 muffler. So I'm gonna swap that out, and then replace my 428 M Performance diffuser with the 435 diffuser. And I actually already bought the muffler, and I already bought the tips. So stay tuned for that. I bought the Burger Tuning tips, just silver, nothing flashy. I want to keep it probably as much factory looking as possible. Ooh, low tire pressure. Gotta check that out. So that is one of the things I'm trying to do. And I'll probably do a lip kit or a lip on the front and lower skirts underneath my side skirts. And I'm not going to do anything carbon fiber. This is not a fast car, so I don't want to do anything to like make it seem like it's a race car or anything like that. So I'm going to do gloss black everything. So gloss black diffuser, gloss black lower front diffuser or lip, and then gloss black side rockers or lower side skirts, and then probably a gloss black lip spoiler. And before all that, I'm actually thinking maybe vinyl wrap the entire car. I always wanted a red car, and maybe this is a chance to do that. So, though, that's it. I think that will probably do it for appearance. And another thing is wheels. So I'm looking at the BMW 437 M wheels, and I'm not gonna get reps. I'm gonna get the real ones. So looking at those, trying to find a good set. I have a friend with an M4 and he's looking to upgrade his wheels, so I'll probably pick those up from him. And that should do it. I think that would be good for all the mods. So that's as far as I'll probably go, because I want it to look as factory and as clean as possible. That's always been my style, especially with my previous cars. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. And I'm gonna try to do videos of each step and show the before and afters. We'll be talking about wheels, offset, spacers, the different types of drops, the different feel between before and after modification. So yeah, I'm gonna mod this car. I didn't want to, or before I bought this car, I was like, I'm gonna get something nice with all the options, so I don't or won't want to modify it. But I just, I got an itch. So that's all. See you guys later. Bye.